set sail from Syracuse. I broke the siege there 4 years ago, under the command of Marcus Gaius Marcellus. There were many triumphs awarded that day, but not to me. I was a fool, and they were taken from me. I came to Talos to win them back, but there will be no triumphs here.
We've sighted land, sir. It must be Talos.
Excellent. Stand easy, Varus. I'm eager to test these Greeks you boast of.
They're fine rowers, sir.
Finer than I.
I would set the bar higher, sir.
Let's put them through their paces, then. Ramigues! Battle speed! Are we leaving all glory for the lion? Have we no pride as Romans? I said, battle speed! Legions, prepare for landing.
Gaius, listen. There's something strange in these waters. She's breached!
Stand firm! You men, get bailing! Ramigues, get us as close as you can!
An Archimedean ring. What sort of devils infest this island?
We are the devil's friend! Keep your course and prove it to them!
Land. It's coming for us. Centurion, we must!
Is that all you've got, Neptune? Optius? Varus! Lucius? Are the men of Rome so broken that they will cower on this beach? Come to me!
Centurion?
Varus! Hear that, Talos? Varus lives! You haven't a chance in hell now. How are you, old friend? Where are the others?
You are wounded, Centurion.
Ah, is that what you want of me, Neptune? Stuck like a pig, begging for mercy. Not today. Now come, Varus. Where's the fighting?
Do not worry. There is a safe place not far from here.
Safe? I have no need for safety, Varus. My shoulder barely aches. Take us to the battle.
Easy, Centurion. I must treat your wound.
What happened to you, man? Where is your fighting spirit? Don't touch me. I can carry myself.
Be calm, Gaius.
I do not trust this place, Varus. It is cold here. And you speak my name like it's foreign to you.
There is nothing to fear.
Demon! Back with you! I'm sorry, my friend. You deserved a better end to your last campaign. They trawl the beach for our survivors. You will be avenged, Varus. On my life, I swear it. Is this the queer speech of demons? Cowards. And discourteous cowards at that. Don't you know it's rude to whisper before your guests? Who's there? Declare yourself! Or better yet, come closer, that I may make a proper introduction.
Sweet Mars!
A woman? This island has many wonders.
Die, Roman. You have done enough here.
Enough? I haven't started yet. My sword is still painfully dry. You're more ox than woman.
And you're more talk than man.
All right then. Enough bravado. Time to die.
You will not have me.
Stop. Remain where you are. Your fighting will cease immediately. You have been chosen to receive a remarkable gift. Units have been dispatched to escort you to me. Do not resist them. There is nothing to fear. We are the future.
What is that voice? Where are you going?
Peace, Roman. Our revengers will have to wait. Talos knows where we are.
You expect me to follow you?
Follow me or kill me. I do not care. But you will not last long against the envoys of Talos.
We'll see about that.
Look at me. You won't.
All right. Truce. For now. What is Talos? That is no voice I know.
I've never seen him. But they say he walked from the flames of a fallen star. We nursed him to health. He offered us blessings, sharper minds, stronger bodies.
Shortcuts.
You Romans had just sacked Syracuse. We knew we would be next. My people were desperate.
Your people were desperate. But not you.
No. Unity, technology, advancement, enlightenment. I'd heard those speeches before.
Where?
From you.
It's empty. Where are these envoys of his?
Don't worry, they're coming. We need weapons.
We have weapons.
That won't be enough against his new men. We need to use theirs. Mikhail said he'd made weapons from their steel. I just need to find the cache.
I see why your village fell so easily. Your men know nothing of how to armor themselves.
Empty. They must have taken him.
He only armored half his face. The rest of the body's a patchwork as well.
Wait! Don't touch him! Mikhail? What have they done to you?
Oh, this is your friend. Pleased to meet you.
What are you doing?
You said they were dangerous. Why wait? Now, tell me about these...
That's impossible. I cut his throat.
Remain still, and the procedure will be painless. You cannot harm me.
Where are these weapons you spoke of?
I'm still looking.
Then we shall do without.
Don't let it touch you.
Do not fight me. It will only cause you pain.
Son of a whore!
There is no need for violence. We are the future. We are... Cassandra. Hit it now. Kill me now. Kill me now.
Well fought, Ox.
You too, Roman.
My name is Gaius Faustus.
What does that matter?
What happened to him? Talos' blessing?
Yes. But if he's still here, perhaps his weapons are as well.
That's more like it. You were right. These blades are made from the same metal they use.
Take it. Why do you hesitate?
I don't know. It seems cold. Unnaturally so.
You saw what it took to bring down one. Would you refuse a weapon because it makes you uncomfortable?
Of course not.
How do you feel?
Strange.
They are coming. Hide, Roman.
Wait. It can't be.
Surrender your weapons, or you will be killed instantly.
The soldiers were Caius and Victus. Brutes even I would struggle to mourn. But their corruption was more advanced than the Smiths. Their faces almost utterly consumed by the strange metal. It was only now, face to face with the new men of Talos, that I realized I'd seen these faces before.
There was another. Where is she? I will locate the other. This one sustained damage to its left leg in Syracuse. Target, then apprehend. Understood.
You think you've got me all figured out, eh? Come and try! I'll have you screaming for mercy, boy!
We do not feel pain.
Are you sure? Yeah!
Stop.
Dirty trick!
It is pointless to resist. You lack our strength.
And you lack our instincts! Now! Yes! That was glorious!
The weapons seem to be effective. You were a fool to fight them head on.
Oh, come on. Tell me you don't feel the thrill of it. To triumph over a superior foe.
We got lucky. We should leave before he sends more.
I missed this. It feels good, fighting among comrades again.
I'm not your comrade, Roman. Now move. There is a place nearby they might not know. It's quiet. We will rest there a while, then plan our next move.
We should link up with the rest of the Legion. With their help, we'll have the numbers for a real offensive.
If they haven't fled already.
No chance. Titus Leo is in command. The lion never breaks.
Who is that?
Gaius Faustus. Still talking bollocks, I hear.
Lucius? Hi.
Jove, what have they done to you?
Keep back. Look at him. He's covered in their metal.
That's right. Back off. Run away. I'm gonna get ya.
You've lost your leg, old man. I'm sorry, but all I can do is help you on your way.
Oh, of course. Legion is no place for cripples, does it? Just leave me be, lads. Talos welcomes all.
Quiet, fool. That's traitors' talk.
Traitor! I gave my life to this Legion, and now it has no place for me. You say I'm a traitor. If you won't have me, why not go to Talos, eh? Why not?
You saw what he did to our lads.
Aye. Stronger and smarter than they've ever been. And I'll tell you something else. His men would never do half the things we've done. Gods, guys. How did you sleep after Syracuse? The things we did in the name of celebration.
It was a hard victory. They were the spoils of war.
Aye. The spoils of war. And we chase them again and again and again. We can't help ourselves. The wheel has to keep turning. Marcellus wants to be consul. So here we are, getting him another win, another 1,000 lads ground up for the glory of Rome. We're not people. We're not even numbers. We're all just feed for the war machine.
I should gut you, traitor!
Face it, kid. There's no glory in this hunt. You're here to stroke an old man's ego, and so a bunch of timid senators never have to tell him no.
You lost faith in Rome. Fine. Spend your last minutes knowing you broke. But what makes him a better master?
You've seen his creations. They're the future, Gaius. They're stronger. Their technology's leagues beyond our own. And the worst thing? Everyone joins them eventually. Could we ever command that loyalty? Look at her face. She doesn't even want to be with you now.
Leave him.
You're a coward, Gaius. You were a coward in Syracuse. You're a coward now. You can't fight the future. We are the future.
We'll need another camp.
There you go.
Does it taste how it looks?
It's soldier's grub. Eat it quick. Helps keep it down.
I thought you Romans were meant to be good cooks.
You can get spices from all over the Empire back home. Here, we have what we have.
It's not our game that's the problem.
Yeah. Where'd you learn how to fight?
Killing Romans. You?
I was trained to fight. Since I was a child. I was good at it. They all said so.
You have a way. You throw yourself into battle like you are unafraid of death.
And I see you too. Always practical, always efficient. Never let them close. Never let them touch you. You wear them down. And attack from safety.
It keeps me alive. But it's different with you. Why aren't you afraid?
Because a man will break in the face of death. But a legionnaire, he's part of something bigger than himself. He moves with 1,000 men, all fighting the same enemy, marching to the same drum. I can still hear it, even now.
So the boasting, the battle cries, it's all a show.
I suppose.
So when you were killing all those people, bellowing threats, did it make you feel less alone?
Alone? What does that mean? I was never alone.
You were going to let that man live, but then he called you a coward and spoke of Syracuse. Why? Was it not your great triumph?
It was. Syracuse was the most glorious day of my life, but the strangest battle by far.
How?
There was a man helping them, a Greek called Archimedes.
I saw him speak once. A stubborn goat, but brilliant.
He was a strange opponent. He harnessed powers we had never seen before. He turned sunlight into rays of heat to burn our ships. He made arms out of strange metals that grasped our ships and hurled them away. It was a form of warfare we could never have prepared for.
You smile as you say this.
It was marvelous. We'd never been challenged like that. Constantly vigilant, constantly adapting. I had the greatest adversary in the history of war. And I won! I bested his machines. I breached his walls. I beat him!
But it did not last, did it?
No. I was among the first through the breach, which meant I was the first to reach the Greek. I found Archimedes.
You were the one.
He had many strange interests. But above them all was a man. A living man made from strange metal. He had bones and guts like ours, but he bled black. And when we arrived, he was all Archimedes cared for. He said nothing to us. He didn't even look. All he cared about was this metal man.
That must have stung, ignored in your moment of triumph.
I killed him. Marcellus gave orders to take him alive, but I didn't listen. I couldn't listen. I had to kill him.
Why?
And the strangest thing was that I knew. I didn't forget those orders. I heard them in my head as I ran him through. And I was certain they would kill me for it. I should have been terrified. But I wasn't. It felt right. Somehow. It felt right. I don't know.
I'm sorry?
You asked me why I killed him. The truth is, I don't know why.
I do, Gaius. It's plain as day upon your face.
Then why?
You saw the future in that house, and you were afraid.
You know nothing.
I would have done the same.
You would?
Do not be afraid. You are weary, tired, weakened by your scars, but you will wake, strong and unburdened. We are the Cyberkind. We are the future. You belong with us.
Ah! Oh! Oh. It can't have. Ah! 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 No!
Morning, Roman.
What did you do to me?
I haven't touched you. Were you hoping I would?
Do not joke with me. Look!
It's still low level for you. Good. There's hope.
You tricked me. You gave me to those creatures.
We have fought against his weakest servant so far and barely survived. What do you think will happen when we face Talos? We cannot win as ourselves, Gaius. The only way to fight them is to become like them.
So you thought it best to kill me?
You were dead the moment you came to this island. At least now your death will serve a purpose.
You should have told me.
I didn't have time to ask permission. If Talos consumes your legion, he will be unstoppable. He needs to die. Today.
And what about us? Won't we be his too?
The change can be resisted, but the more we use his gifts, the faster the corruption will spread.
The more we use them.
Yes. They caught me the night before we met.
Wait. That scar on your belly. Where did you get that?
It doesn't matter.
Looks self-inflicted. Let me see.
Don't touch me! I will not discuss him. There's no point dwelling on the lives we might have had. Talos is all that matters now. So let's go and kill him.
I had made an alliance with a Greek. My body betrayed me to a demon from the stars. And there I was, chasing the tracks of my doomed legion. I knew there was no way off this island. Deep down I knew. But I refused to believe. Perhaps, if I killed this demon, I could save myself. And Cassandra, she'd killed me. She hated me. And yet, there was something about her which made me want to impress her. My entire life I'd lived in service to Rome. I'd never questioned it for a moment. But she made me question everything.
His vessel was taken to the temple on the hill. That's where Talos will be. Your legion has been trying to lay siege to it.
How do we get there?
There's an ox path by the cliffs. It'll take us around.
We don't have time to go around. What about the foothills?
The ground is too open.
For a large force, perhaps. But the two of us, we could cut right through it.
I don't like it. I've heard rumors of strange weapons up there.
You were the one talking about time. A few hours could make all the difference. You know I am right.
Don't say it like that. It makes me want to jump off the cliff. Still like this route?
Just a little bombardment. They don't want us getting bored.
Man's a legionnaire. We should help him.
No, we can't afford to reveal ourselves.
Please. Help me.
Target subdued. Conversion will proceed.
Even death has no escape from these monsters. Behind here, quick.
All are welcome among the Cybermen. There is no difference. There is no war. There is only purpose and belonging. You are safe with us.
Did they see us?
No, they can't have.
Good. How much further to the temple?
Half a league, I think. Once we're up that hill, we should have a straight shot to your camp.
Good. Then we...
What?
There's a corpse. Up there.
Where?
On that outcrop. Must have bled out. He's looking right at us.
Is he converted?
I don't know. I'll need to check. Is the coast clear?
Not quite. Wait for my word. Go. Now! Did you make it, Roman? Gaius, are you unharmed?
I'm fine. I was wrong. It didn't bleed out. Strange.
Strange how?
He has no wounds. I don't see any conversion marks. But there's no pulse. And there are shards of metal all around him. And why did... Shit!
Gaius!
Run! Cover your mouth! They're bombarding us with toxic vapors!
Remain where you are. Units have been dispatched to escort you to safety. Abide with all orders. Do not resist. There is nothing to fear.
They're cutting us off.
Can you swim, Cassandra?
What?
Swim! Jump! It was a reckless move, even for me. I wish I could say it was my own skill that got us down that hill. I would have settled for saying it was Cassandra's. But it wasn't. It was their gift. It hardened my skin, filled my lungs and improved me. For a moment, I clung to a grim feeling of satisfaction as I watched the converted on the cliffs. Surely I had won. I had stolen their power and triumphed. But deep down I knew they didn't care. In escaping them, I had let more of the corruption claim me. There was no victory here. All they had to do was wait.
They've stopped.
Perhaps they think we're dead.
Or they have something else to aim at. Wait, there's someone up there.
Oh, Cassandra. Bless you, girl. Bless you. You're still alive.
I am. But I'm not alone, Matron.
Oh, I see. I should have died earlier. To see one of our daughters betray us to those thugs.
I'm no traitor, Matron. This Roman is my tool. He is helping me slay the false god.
I'm sorry for what he's done to you.
Him? What on earth makes you think this was him? It was your lot that did this.
My lot?
They wanted our supplies. Damn our own starving. The Romans need our supplies.
You should have given them over. You know what Talos is.
Oh, we did give them over. But they always needed more. Always thought we were hiding more. It was always more.
Matron, is there anything I can do?
Not unless you're willing to give me any of that metal.
No, I won't do that to you.
Of course. Don't do me any favors. Kill him when all this is done. Kill him. It's what he deserves. What they all deserve.
You did the kindest thing for her. Let her be now. It's not your fault.
Why did you come here?
Me or the Republic?
Is there a difference? Cut us down. Make us bleed. Plant your flags until everything is Roman.
If it wasn't us, it would be someone else. If we hadn't come here, it would have been somewhere else. It's human nature. We can't stop it. We can't even fight it.
They can.
Do you really think they're better? Cassandra?
It's time to leave. I will do my duty, Gaius Faustus. There is nothing left to say.
The strangest thing about dying is how it narrows your priorities. I endured Cassandra's silence as we climbed the hill. I don't know why it bothered me. She hated what I was. And she had every right. But what else could I have been? A man lives to express his power. And what is Rome but man unleashed, surpassing all rivals? Everyone wants to be Roman, don't they? Deep down, doesn't everyone wish they were like us? And yet, she saw the greatest civilization in human history, and rather than join, she walked away in disgust. I stood there an honest man, ready to fight a monster. No hate in my heart for her or her people.
Yet she thought no better of me for any of it. Where had we gone wrong?
Why did I care so much? I'd known her for a day. And yet, for some reason in my final hours, all I wanted was to be worthy of her.
To arms! The enemy is at our door!
We are not your enemy, soldier. I am Gaius Faustus, Centurion of the 9th Legion. Now where is Titus Leo? I must speak to the Lion.
I know your voice, Centurion. But who is this with you?
I am Cassandra. I am here to kill Talos.
You're a native. Why would you want to help us?
I don't. But your enemy is my enemy.
Are those shovels they're fetching?
For trenches, sir.
What? You can't break them in siege, soldier. They have no need of food or water. Take me to the Lion. We need a new plan.
Stay where you are.
They're not listening to you, Faustus.
Show me your arm.
Listen to me! You need to press and attack while numbers are still on your side!
You are corrupted by Talos. You seek to spread his poison in our camp. Kill them quickly.
Wait! I surrender. Lock me up if you must, but I must see the Lion.
Cassandra, you too.
We do not have time for this, Roman.
It's our only chance.
You had better speak well.
You went to a great deal of trouble to speak to me. Who are you?
You know me, Leo. You've always known me. Ah!
Answer my question.
My name is Gaius Faustus, citizen of Rome.
And Centurion?
Yes! Yes! Of the 9th!
And the woman?
She's no one. She helps me.
She helped you.
We need her. Ah! Stop! I will not reject this pain. Do not tempt me.
What was your mission, Gaius Faustus?
Reinforce the positions here. To help you slaughter these creatures. To take this island. To make Talos a province of Rome. To give Marcellus a victory so he would be named consul. Ah!
Consul? You seem more cynical in your loyalties, Faustus.
I am loyal, I swear it!
I do not believe you.
Leo, please! I must join the lines. I haven't long left before this corruption takes me. It has taken more will than I thought I had to make it this far.
You reek of doubt, Faustus. In us, in Rome, in yourself. Why should I let such a man join the lines? Answer!
Ah! Because there is no choice! You need to attack! And without something like me, it will fail! You know that damn well! You are right that I have doubts. I do not know if the Republic moves me as it once did. But I have no doubt in this fight. Talos must die! And all his creatures with him. If I have to die to achieve that, I will die. If I must march on him alone, then I will march alone. I will endure every torture, break these bars, and stand the line because he must die. That is my duty. That is my will. So I ask you, Leo, will you dare to try and stop me? Or will you finally see sense and realize that I am your brother and this is our fight?
My brother, my countrymen, you are still Roman. Come, we have much to do. This temple is where Talos hides. He has groups of his acolytes bringing him tributes of copper and gold. Many will stay behind to help him with his projects. This is the moment resistance will be weakest. He cannot reinforce his men without opening the doors to us.
His minions are unimportant. It is Talos that we must kill. With him dead, his acolytes won't be able to function for long.
Your weapons will not be effective against him. You will need myself or Gaius to strike the killing blow.
You speak out of turn, but you are correct. There is, however, another problem. Talos has constructed an Archimedean ray on the first wall.
I remember. It destroyed our ship.
If they turn it on us, our attack force will melt in mere moments.
I could reach it. I know the cliffs, and these augmentations should allow me to scale them.
That would leave Faustus alone to destroy Talos.
Are you certain that you can reach it?
It will be difficult, but achievable.
Then we have a plan.
In that case, prepare the rams, prepare the men. We attack as soon as the tributaries arrive.
Does it feel like you hoped? Being back among soldiers?
I don't know. It feels different this time.
How does it feel?
I would rather be going with you.
Why?
Gaius, I need to speak with you.
Never mind. Keep safe, eh?
It makes sense now.
What?
The source of your doubts. Mind you, with an arse like that, I'd have a couple of my own.
Oh, piss off.
Don't worry. We'll talk fast. I'm sure you're hoping for one last ride before we go.
The thought honestly never occurred to me.
Really? Are you still packing under all that?
Did you really call me over to talk about my pelum?
No. No, I did not. This is going to be one hell of a fight. Worse than Syracuse, for sure.
We won there. We'll win here.
I'm sure. But we won't all make it. You know that. Which is why I need to ask something from you. Whatever else happens, you must survive.
Leo, you know I can't promise that.
You have to. I'm not asking as a friend. I need you to make it back to Rome.
You want them to study me?
If these are the enemies we face from now on, we need to learn about their gifts.
I agree we need to study them. But Leo, you've seen what these powers lead to.
No more doubts, Gaius. The Republic needs this. Our expansion stalled in Syracuse. First, they broke from us. Then, we spent 4 years besieging them. Carthage grows bolder, and many more rebellions brew as we speak. You could reverse our fortunes, widen our dominions in a span of months.
Where do you think that road will take us, Leo? You would inflict this on the Republic!
It's here now, Faustus. This is the future. We can't stop progress.
But if we are to advance, let us do so as feeling men. Let's do it to improve our lot, not out of fear or folly.
But think of it, Gaius. Think of the glory this will win you. What does Marcellus have compared to this? A few measly provinces against a power that will change everything. You could be consul. You could be dictator. You could lead us. But you must endure.
I don't know that I can, Leo! The call of Talos is strong.
But soon to be ended.
Will it? Will it end? He whispers so softly.
Stand firm, Gaius. You will overcome this pretender. I demand it. I am your friend. I am your commander. And I order you, resist.
And this is it then.
The moment of truth.
I used to hate this. The anticipation. The nerves. And now it seems strangely dull.
It's routine. The soldiers are armed, we are ready.
We're waiting for the trumpeters to find their nerve.
I miss that fear.
You do? Oh, damn it. Here we go, then.
Gaius, if we survive this...
Oh, come on. Don't tell me you're going to bare your heart now. Of course we'll survive this. Whatever feelings you have for me, save it for after the battle.
No, Roman. I'm not here for that.
No? Then what?
If we survive this, we cannot go home. You know this.
So if we survive, you want me to kill you?
And I you.
His call may be quiet. Could have life to live after this.
Look around, Gaius. Look at yourself. What life is left to either of us?
Cassandra? I don't want to die. I need more time.
There is no use dwelling on what might have been.
You don't understand. There's something I haven't done. I need to do. I'm not finished yet.
Gaius, look at me.
I can't.
Look! You are Gaius Faustus. You are afraid because you are alive. Lead them, not as a man of Rome. Lead them as yourself. It is enough.
By Jove! How do we fight that?
Stand firm.
But sir...
Stand firm.
Relax, soldier. He's firing at dirt. You know why? Because he's terrified you're about to come over and pull his head off. Hold the line. Keep the rams up. You'll have him on his knees by supper. On your word, Leo.
Right, men. You know the plan. You know what's at stake here. Whatever happens, stick to formation and get to those gates!
Ready, men! Let's go see what gods bleed.
Charge!
Dead.
Keep pushing!
But the rams, sir. The crew are dead.
Give it here. You hear me, Talos? We've come for you! Come out and face us!
Come on, Cassandra! Come on, Oxgirl! Give me this! Give me this one! I'll die for you! But give me this!
She did it. She? We were the greatest army in human history. The greatest technology. The greatest minds. The greatest civilization. And Talos had surpassed us completely and utterly. And yet, the door was open.
Come to me, Gaius. I am waiting.
Looked like the automaton that had seduced Archimedes. Yet wings of wire spread from his back and into a glass vessel. He sucked light from it. Beholding such a sight, I knew he must be divine. Yet I saw also a limp in his step. Pieces missing from his frame. Could it truly be that we were so undone by the least of the gods above?
You are Gaius Faustus.
Talos.
That designation is sufficient. Rise. 80%. You have an uncommon resistance.
I'll take that as a compliment.
It will pass.
Oh.
That was intended to reassure.
Why? We both know I'm here to kill you.
Why?
Why? Because you killed my brethren. You turned thinking men into mindless slaves.
We came for the same purpose.
No, we're nothing alike.
We will be. The battle is concluded. Understood. Return to your tasks.
So what happens now?
You have two choices. You can be the first to experience full conversion. You will become as I am.
Like you. I come here to kill you, and you offer me divinity.
All are alike among the cyber kind.
And if I don't, I presume you'll kill me?
No.
No?
If you refuse, I will allow you to return to your home. Your mind will be unaltered. Ships and crew will be provided for your return. You may go.
Just like that? But why? Why would you let me leave after all this?
I have no need for further violence. You will return home. You will speak of what you experienced here. Your body will be proof of what I can offer. Others will come. All will be welcome.
I would serve you, even as a free man.
Correct. Which do you choose?
I wanted nothing more than to leave. It was the only victory left to me. I could stay true to my word and continue to explore my ruminations on the Republic. And yet I knew, if I returned, I would face a terrible future. If by trade or by war, one by one, my people would come to Talos. And one by one we would all join his silver horde. So I know my choice. I may never be a better man. I may never know true enlightenment. And worst of all, I know I will be a true disappointment to Cassandra. But nobody else should suffer this fate but me.
Have you decided?
I will become like you.
Then come to me. You will need energy for the next stage. Do you still feel pain?
Yes.
That is unfortunate.
What happens now?
You will become like us. We will grow until all become as we are.
Steel men, unthinking, uncaring towards anything but how far our flag flies. Is this the only future any of us can imagine? Is this all a man can be?
You are changed, Gaius Faustus.
Yes. By Jove, I am.
We have changed you.
No. It wasn't you. It was her.
Reactor breach! Reactor breach! All units win!
And yet, for some reason in my final hours, all I wanted was to be worthy of her.